Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to form inequalities from the statements that are given in linear programming. Okay, so let's have a look at this question here, which reads, Kunika wishes to build a lodge with single and double rooms. He needs to decide the number of each room type he should build to maximize profit. So this is a plan for this person, so-called Kunika. So he wishes to build a lodge with single and double rooms. So the question goes on to say, let X represent the number of single rooms. So once you see single rooms, you must be seeing X. So single rooms are representing X, and then Y, the number of double rooms. Okay, but before we can dive into the inequalities, we need to understand certain things here. So there are key words that we follow when coming up with inequalities. So those words, the examples are at least, not exceed, those. So not more than, less than. So each word has got a way it should be expressed. So let's go to these possible inequalities that have been given to us. So the first question is, write the inequalities which represent each of the following conditions. So we have been given conditions here that we must convert into inequalities. So the first one is, there must be at least one single room. There must be at least one single room. So you can see there's this word which I mentioned earlier, at least. At least. Okay, then the second statement, they are saying there must be at least 10 rooms altogether. So even here they have used the same word, at least. Then it goes on to say the total number of rooms should not exceed 15. So not exceed is also another term which has been used here. Then the number of double rooms must be at least twice the number of single rooms. Then the fifth one is, the number of double rooms should not be more than 12. So in this video, we'll just answer question A. We will answer these remaining ones in the next video. So let's start forming inequalities from these conditions which has been outlined for us here. Okay. So the first one, there must be at least one single room. So at least, it means the single room should be one or more. That's what it means here, at least one single room, meaning one, the number which has been mentioned there is the minimum. That's the minimum they should be. So it means at least is the same as greater or equal to. Yeah, that's how we write at least, because it means equal or more, at least. Okay, so let me demonstrate how we can write this inequality here. So we know to say X is representing the single rooms, right? Okay, so let me do this here. So X is representing the single rooms. Then Y is representing the double rooms. So when we say there must be at least one single room, there must be at least one single room, meaning X should be at least 1. That's the implication there. So, inequality 1, we're saying x, at least we write it like this. We write it, at least means equal or more. So, x should be equal or more than 1. That's what it means here. So, there must be at least one single room. That statement, we express it like this. So, at least means greater or equal to. Okay. We move on to the second statement. We see the second statement. So, the second statement, it's there must be at least 10 rooms altogether. At least. So, meaning the symbol that we used, in the previous situation is the one that we're going to put even in this condition. So, there must be at least 10 rooms altogether. So, altogether meaning put together. Yeah. So, when you put together x and y, they should be at least 10. So, inequality number 2. So, it simply means x plus y should be at least 10. Yeah. So, once you see at least, that is the symbol that you should use to represent at least or not less than. Yeah, at least simply mean not less than. So it can just be equal or more, but not less than. Okay, let's go to the third inequality. Yeah, so we are from answering this one here, where they are saying there must be at least 10 rooms altogether. Then the third one is saying the total number of rooms should not exceed 15. Should not exceed. Yeah, mark this word, not exceed. So it simply means it should be less or equal. Yes, less or equal. It can reach 15, but not exceeding. So that simply means less or equal. So the total number of rooms should not exceed 15. So since they're talking about the total number of rooms, we just have two types here, type X and type what? Y. So it means the other condition then is going to look like this. X plus Y should not exceed what? 15. So meaning, if you add the number of rooms, the number of single rooms and the number of double rooms, what you get should not exceed 15. It should be just equal or less. Yeah, equal or less. We go to the fourth inequality. So here they are saying the number of double rooms must be at least twice the number of single rooms. The number of double rooms must be at least twice the number of single rooms. Okay, so meaning the number of single rooms should go 2 times in the number of double rooms. Yeah, the number of double rooms must be at least twice. So meaning this one, which must be at least twice, should be multiplied by 2. Yeah, we are multiplying x by what? By 2, because they are saying twice the number of single rooms. So 2 times x, twice the number of single rooms. So we multiply 2 times x, then meaning it will simply mean y should be greater or equal to 2 times x. That's what this statement means here. Double room, that's y. So the number of double rooms y must be at least we put greater or equal to. So must be at least, then twice, that is 2. Twice the number of single rooms. So we're multiplying the 2 times x, which is the number representing the single rooms. So meaning this one, if you are to write it, it will appear like this: y at least twice the number of single rooms. Yeah, double rooms should be at least twice the number of single rooms. So that's how we express such a statement here. Let's go to the fifth one and the last one. The number of double rooms should not be more than 12. The number of double rooms should not be more than 12. So double room, we know it's a y. So we put y to represent the number of double rooms. Y must, it should not be more than 12. Should not be more than. Meaning it can reach 12 but not exceed. Not exceeding. So the number of double rooms should not be more than 12. So y not more than 12. It can be equal but not just more than. Okay, so these are the 4 statements that represent these 5 conditions. Okay, so if there's any point where you need clarity, please you can make use of the comment section. We'll be there to attend to your needs within the shortest possible time. Thank you so much.